Hi guys, this is Mihai from DNN Sharp. Today I will show you another great thing you can do with DNN Sharp products. You already know that all the great tutorials can be found on blog.dnnsharp.com/1001, and in order to get notified every time we upload a new tutorial, you just have to click on the Get Notified button. Today I will show you how to create an I agree to field in action form, which is flexible enough to allow you to use it for almost every scenario that might come up your way. I'm going to show you today how to use it to get your users to agree with the GDPR. Even though you're not an European company, as long as you collect and process data from European customers, you will have to comply with the general data protection regulations, and this tutorial will help you a lot. Let's get started. I have an action form module here. I'll go to the manage form screen and I will show you how easy it is to create a registration form and add on it I agree field. Let's assume you have the registration form with the username, password, register button with all the actions, because you already have the website, so you basically have the functionality, but you're missing the I agree button. You don't have to add a new field on your form. Go to multiple choice and select agreement links. This field will appear on your form as a checkbox, and let's give it a title, I agree to, and then lower on the page in the settings of the field you will have some settings that will allow you to configure it. You can add I agree to terms and conditions, and here you should type the terms and conditions content, save, and if you refresh the form you will see it. But you can also add multiple terms like this: agreement links, I agree to, let's say add one parameter, terms and conditions, and terms and conditions content here, and add another one, let's say GDPR, or no, let's say data protection, GDPR content here, and another one, cookie policy, cookies content here. This is the separator for each of these fields. This will basically show as I agree to terms and conditions and data protection and cookie policy. Let's see how it actually looks like. You can also change the text that appears in the pop-up. Let's change that to OK, save, and refresh the form. This is I agree to terms and conditions, and you have the terms and conditions content. Okay, data protection, general data protection regulation here, and cookie policy here. This OK button doesn't actually do anything, it just closes the pop-up, but your users have to click this. Don't forget to make it required when your users register. Under validation, make sure it is required. Save. That's all. I hope you find a great use for this, and stay close as this is just the beginning. Are you ready for GDPR?